Hello guys, welcome back to Unbox Heaven. Today I brought another exciting and new review for you guys. So it's a blender, professional blender. You can make like anything in it. You can make smoothies, milkshake. If you want to make any purees, if you want to blend anything, mix anything, or if you want to make a dip, you can make anything in this blender. Even you can make your ice crush drink because it's very good with icing stuff. So here we have the box of the machine. You can see it. All the description are here. All the details are available on the box. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it now, and also turn on the notification so you can get a notification of my all the videos. So here we have like all the boxing and everything. So we're gonna open the box with the help of this knife. We're gonna take out all the contents of the box. Here we have the manual and instructions. Before using any new product, we should read the guide and instructions so we can carefully operate the machine. First, I will take out everything out of the box, and after that I will show everything one by one. First, we need to take everything out of the box. So here we have the blender and all like everything we're gonna take out of the box, and we will put boxing and packaging out of here. So first we have this blending jar. It is wrapped very nicely and securely in the packaging. You can see there are a lot of packaging here, so I need to take out the bottom lid. तो ये जो jar है हमारे पास ये शीशे का, इसको मैंने साइड पर रख दिया है. Now I'm gonna take everything and show you guys in the video. Here we have the bottom lid. You guys can also see we can remove this lid out of the blending jar, so it's very easy for the cleaning purposes. And here we have the blending blades. These blades are very sharp as it is described in the box. The blades are really sharp, so because it can also crush your ice like very nicely and very smoothly. So you guys can see in the video the bottom part of the blending jar, there's a rubber. So this rubber protect your drinks from the leakage of any liquid. So this is very good thing. I like this feature, and it's very easy for the cleaning purposes. So now I'm gonna put the bottom lid again to the blending jar and put it back again. So now talk about the capacity of this blender. So it has 1.25 liters capacity, and if we measure in the cups, it has capacity for the 6 cups. And here we have the small lid for the top lid. We can open this during making our drinks. So you can just open it and you can just close it. If you want to put any more liquid in it, any milk, like during making your drinks, you can just put from this part and you can just put it back. Usually all the blenders has these features. So now let's talk about the blending machine. So here we have a very shiny, very bright red color machine. It has a lot of options. You can see in the video there are a lot of buttons. Every button has different option, different feature. First I'm gonna show you this speed button. It has 2 speeds, one low and one high. After that, one on and off button like power button. There is one button for crushing your ice. You can crush your ice making slurpees or slushies by pressing this button. After that, we have one button for making smoothies, and one button for making milkshakes, and one button for making any liquid smoothly. And as you can see in the video, there are more options on the bottom of each button. There are 3 more options, one for puree, one for chopping, and one for mixing or blending. We can use any option as per our need. If we talk about the price, I ordered this online, and I will provide all the links and all the details in the description box. This video is not sponsored, so if you guys want to buy this, you can just go to the links. You can see all the options there. I will also provide the similar links there, so if you want to buy from other link or like similar product to this, so you can go to that link and buy the product. So now it's time to use the blending jar. Before using, I always suggest you guys, before using any new product, just wash them with the warm water and soap. So here we have everything washed and dried. Let's open the blending jar lid, and now I'm gonna put some fruits in it. You guys can make anything in it. You guys can use any fruit in it. I'm gonna use some frozen fruit to see its best result. I'm gonna also put some ice in it to see how its ice crushing button works with the ice. I just added my desired amount of fruits in it. After that, I'm gonna put some ice cubes in it. So see how it works with the ice. So here we have the ice cubes. So I'm gonna put some ice cubes in it, and after that I'm gonna put some milk. So now put the lid back on it, and after that I'm gonna use this. Now let's plug it in, and after that we're gonna press the power button. First I will use ice crush option, and after that we will use milkshake option to see its best results. And see, within 5 to 6 seconds it just crushed all the ice, and now I just pressed milkshake button. You can see in the blender jar. I will closely show you how it works. So here we have the closer look. It is working very nicely and blending very smoothly all the ice and all the fruits in it. So as you can see, all the mixture is very thick. What I'm gonna do here is add some more milk. Just use the smaller lid option. I did not open the all lid. I just used the smaller lid and put the milk inside the jar. And now blend it again for 3 to 4 seconds. So here we have all the mixture is blended very nicely and very quickly. You can see in the video. I just show you to make this drink in this jar. It just took 5 to 9 seconds and everything is well blended, well mixed, and you can see in the video everything is just nicely blended. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video to your friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.